Hey, welcome to the Smart Assistant channel. In today's video, I'll guide you through the process of hiding apps on your Samsung Android phone without using any third-party applications. Whether you value privacy or simply want to discreetly organize your home screen, follow the steps to activate the built-in function on your Samsung device. If you're ready, let's get started. First, go into Settings. Scroll down, find the Home Screen option, and tap on it. The next step is to scroll down and tap on or hide apps on home and app screens. Once you've done that, now select the apps you want to hide. When you're done, tap a Done. Now, you can go back to the home screen and see that the apps you selected are hidden. To restore the hidden apps to their previous state, the process is similar to the previous one. Go back into Settings, scroll down, and tap on the Home Screen option. Once you've done that, again tap on Hide Apps on Home and App Screens, and in the Hidden Apps section, select the apps you want to restore. When you're done, tap a Done. Now, go back to the home screen, and you'll see that the apps are now visible. As for this video, that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Like the video if you enjoyed it, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Take care of yourself and your family. See you soon.